What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halobet Official. Guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It depends the time where I'm watching this video from the far end, and also it depends the month and the year. So actually today I'm shooting these videos on Thursday, and it's an holiday day in Africa, especially in Kenya here. It's an holiday. So today, guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So I managed to shoot these videos early in the morning, and over there, guys, if you know, guys, that's my project. I appreciate. And today, I suppose yesterday to work with my mason because of time, and when the mason get a big job, when you're calling him for the small job, they can't come. And I realized one thing: when you work with maybe one mason, you trust him all the time. It reach a point when we call him to do some work, and then he refused. But today I'm going to Border Town to look for other mason, and he came to make a small mistake that other mason made it here. So after Border Town, I went to U.S.A to purchase the cement, guys. So that's the big aim, and also I paid the lady or the timber yard manager to pay the money. So there's a time I take the timber, so I want to make that payment today. And in case you're new on these videos, I want to show you what I'm talking about. So technically, this home, man, these avocado trees, and I see it's coming up. Look, and we have another one here. I don't know, maybe you can see there's avocados, and we have another one here. So I'm trying to put more avocado trees in this compound, and let me show you. Wow, guys, so this is what I'm calling home, man. And tomorrow this tank will be fixed. So today, you see on the base, I wanna bring the mason to remove those cement and some concrete, like 4 inches or to 3 inches, to give them some 2 feet to reach on this point here. So there must be removed. So that's the work for today. And also I went to U.S.A after from Border Town. When I'm going to purchase some cement, I want to pay this timber, guys. Honest, this timber. And mom, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you for your support. So by tomorrow, this tank will be fixed. This one will be fixed serious by tomorrow. This one here. And also my mom could get enough water. So you can see by yourself, guys, we install everything. Gutters also on this on my house, we install gutters. So that being said, those errors stop us to install the tank on the base. And also we have the pipe here. This is the pipe. Even my plumber left the instrument here. This is instrument for my plumber. So I want to take my baby outside, rushing to Border Town, and it's all morning. So wow, guys, I had some chicken here, laying some. Ew. Look at that. It has some. Look. There's some chicks. All right. You see that stuff from the maize. This one here. They were full inside here. So right now my mom uses as a firewood, as a source of firewood. So technically I want to give you a brief tour to my project. So the reason why I been give everyday brief tour to my project is there is maybe somebody else since the year started they haven't watched my videos, and maybe he found these videos, he made this video on the first time. He can watch until the end and see what's going on. Oh, this one here, this one, because of the sun. And I forget one something. Let me brought some sorry guys for that. Let me brought the key, and I want to open one, we call him one room. So during the daytime we left them open, during the night we close. And actually my mom, she was not around, she went to somewhere else, so I'm the one who remaining here, and also my sister. Before I leave, I want to Yaboni nipe ufungu. So that's my sister. Nipe ufungu, nipatie ufungu. I'm calling my sister to bring some key. So today it's a holiday. Even my sister, she didn't went to school. So maybe tomorrow. Wow. This is my sister. Say hello. Hello. Yes, and Basula. Yes. I'm telling her go and sleep. So hey. Nini? Eh. Nataka nifunge hapa. Yes, I'm telling my sister. I want to open only one bathroom. Oh guys, so this is the key here. So I want to open because this is my time to leave. I'm going to border town to look the mason. So I don't know, maybe I can get the mason, and it depends, maybe it depends. It depends, yo. Wow guys, you see how the maze of my grandma coming so big. So it depends, honest, it depends maybe, and I believe I can get the mason today because I want this the base will be constructed some errors today. So this is the washroom for my mama. For my mama washroom, and it's so big, man. Look. So I'm showing you, maybe in case you're new here on these videos, this is the work that I'm doing here in my village. You see, I install ceiling board, and I give them enough time to be concrete down, so when I'm start installing the tiles, it could be boom. Wow guys, so I lock. So in case you're new here on these videos, that's my first project, and I have already finished up. So for me, I show people maybe nothing changed, maybe some improvement on my project. I'm telling you. So this is the padlock and also the key. When I left home, I want to close the gate because my sister, she was sleeping, and we need our privacy, guys. So man, okay, before that, today I want to take some sand from here, also the bricks, I'm telling you, also the bricks, so this is where the sand, it wanna be brought it here. When I brought the mason, and I'm so late, man. So here, I scoop here the sand and transport to other side. It's only like 2 wheelbarrow or to 3 wheelbarrow. And then also around the base on top, I'll put some bricks. So I'll transport the bricks from here. And it's raining. I don't know, maybe it can affect my bricks, man. Oh. This one here. I'll transport from here and with a wheelbarrow going this way. So guys, because of time, I wanna rush up to Bordertown to look my mason. So today videos is to cover everything. By tomorrow the work is to fix the tank. You had the coke. It's morning time. Wow. So this is where I'm coming from. This is my grandma's home or my dad's home. You had the coke. That's my dad's home. Let me go on that car. There is my grandma home. You had the Mr. Cook. Oh boy. You heard that cock. So like sorry guys, if you doesn't have a watch, you can use some local or traditional watch. You can use the shade, the shadow of the house, the shadow of the trees, also the cock. So guys, stay tuned as I'm moving to Bordertown, and we shall meet on the next videos which is coming, guys. So guys, I'm heading to Bordertown, and I'm going to look for the mason, guys. You wanna see? Look, there's the motorbike running there. Wow. Oh guys, look. Alright. So I want to meet with my mason. So it's so late, guys. I'm heading with time. Everywhere it's green, man. Wow. Look at the side. Over there. Running with time. Hey. Wow. So let's see whether I can get the mason, guys. That is my Roma Catholic Church over there. If you are Roma, comment on this video. Amazing one. I'm out. outside, going to look for the mason and to see the work for today. Wow, you see, very good.
Hello, baby.
Oh,
How are you?
I'm good.
Hello, guys. I'm Masara 001. Want to check Hello Baby's channel. Support him, load him to 10,000 subscribers. Take him to success. Also, be here. Check me, Masara 001. Load me to 1,000.
Okay, okay,
Subscribe, comment, and share.
okay,
And like. Also.
okay,
Thank you, my friend.
okay. Wow, guys, check him out, Masare 001. Show him some love, guys. Wow. I'm on the way, you know. It's good to give people shout out, but for the haters always again, I can't do that nonsense. Wow, upcoming petrol station, new one here. The new one. I'm telling you guys, today it's clear. Take that view. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, guys, so this is Border Town, and it's quite early morning. I must drive here careful, you know. Wow. And guys, soon I'm going to fix the tiles inside of my project. Let's go. What are these, man? Wow. Oh, even today the police put some flags because of the holiday. Woo! Let's move on. So this is Border Town, man, and in case you're new here on today's videos, this is the border of Kenya and Tanzania, and actually I'm in Kenya. I'm in my countryside. Oh man, imagine all the way I came to Border Town to look for the vessel. It's crazy. Wow. Look how things they are here. Cheers. Wow. Well, guys, so the mason were been sitting here and I didn't find anyone, so I supposed to go, and then on the way going back home I want to make sure that today I get the mason. So they were sitting here around, loitering here on the other side, so I didn't find them here. They were sitting around all the way here. Guys, so right now I came at Tanzania to look for the mason, and I found him. So this is Tanzania, guys, and also the bag is here. So he was coming from other side and their home is here. So this is the model of Tanzania, guys. You can say even the views are different other than mine. So he came to pick the instrument, actually the mason hammer. Wow. Imagine, guys, how my baby was taking me around. So right now I'm in Tanzania. Imagine to look for the mason, and he went for the mason hammer for crushing the stones and all stuff. Oh. Imagine, so I'm waiting. The one coming from other side. You see the beauty. You see how Tanzanians build the house. Look. Wow. So for me, if you make for me the work wrong or you mess on my work, that's the end of the story. That's my lesson for now. Haukupata linyundo? Ayo itatindwa.
Sina tosha na tindo.
Oh.
Tunatindwa.
Aye. Oh guys, so today the work started. This is my mom over here. Try to remove water, and then I also have my mason here from Tanzania. So they want to work here. And for now I want to pick the cement, and also by tomorrow this tank will be installed. Si leo tukiweka niro, si kesho kitu taka. And then I'll build here 2 courses. Also I'll come with my plumber. Alright. Oh guys, so right now I'm heading to Nyabohanse to buy some cement. Not some cement, actually to buy cement, and also to pay the money for the guy for the timber yard. Oh guys. Wow. So the timber yard also I paid the money, and imagine I brought the masons from Tanzania. She want to work for me some work there. So by tomorrow also I will install the tank. So for now I'm going to check the plumber. Then after plumber, because the master is there, so I don't like to say, oh, it's mess up, guys. You know. And technically, guys, this is how my village looks like. Wow. So we outside. Guys, in case you missed my videos, subscribe. Right, comment and also share my videos to your family, guys. This is how my village looks like. Green everywhere. Look. Purely green. Now my baby here. Look how the oh, so this is how things they are inside here. Wow. So because I'm running with time, guys, stay tuned. So guys, this cement here. Higa? Hey, so they are going home. Guys, I need a helmet like this. Hey. Utaka mbili hivi. Unaweza weka mbili. Hauwezi ona.
Naona.
Hata hapo tete. Tagadi yangu. This is my plumber. Hai waro kwa Tanzania. Lakini ningi imwamu ndako. Afu. Guys, that's my plumber. We company with him so to supervise the work. Sasa hamu utendole mpaka hayo. Oh guys, imagine this all waste. Aye, well guys. Alatan. Okay, it's kidding how you. So guys, this is my cement over here. Hey, look up at it. Ikaw na lang ko pa hero. Iya. Daddy, angkat. Chachu apa hero kon nera no. Ang tambara kero. Tore ke tambara. Oh guys, so that's my one bag of cement. So let's. Oh guys, so I'm on timber yard here. I want to pay the money right now, guys. So there's a time I came and then purchased the timber here. That time I was blocked and then I explained my problem with the one of the timber. So thank you so much, ma'am. So today I wanna pay the money for the timber here. Uwe. So guys, this is the Kenyan money. I paid him the money, guys. So thank you so much. Oh guys, imagine this is the all kind of way with cement, sand, and also guys, I paid him the money and then we tried to bring me some loss here. So we tried to renovate it and then I think we dig down some feet. Then we go. So that's the mixture of sand, cement and balanced stones. Imagine, I paid them the money, then bring me a lot of loss. So today we try to work on it, only on the base, but the other side are okay. Wow, even the cement are outside. So after that, we are going to dig them and then we mix it. Oh. But for me, I don't care, guys. So me and that mason who is reading with my work, our work is over. Wow. And then around on the base of the top, we build with 2 course of the bricks and then cement, and finally tomorrow is to fix the tank, guys. Wow. Well guys, so right now I came from Nyabohanse and I want to see the work for today, and actually guys, I'm just back home. So tomorrow guys, you'll see the new look for U.S.A official. So I can't share with you right now, but tomorrow early in the morning you want to see my look. So today actually guys, my baby's helped me a lot, man, going around looking for the mason, and right now guys, I'm just back. Oh, so I'm just back home and I want to see what is going on. So since I left and I know today brought the professional mason, so I want to see the work for today, guys. This is Hello Baby official. This is your son, Hello Baby Official. Show me some love, guys. Watch my video until the end. In case you meet these videos and you are new, kindly guys subscribe and like my videos, and also share my videos to your family, to your friend. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And when I finish installing the tank, the only thing that remaining, I want to work on tiles, and then when I finish on that, guys, I'm able to move for the next level. But for now, let's see what's going on, man. Ooh. You see, guys, this is the mortar here, the bag of cement that remaining here. Imagine we remove like a ½ inch this muram, all the sand here. And now, guys, this is the work. So maybe I'll show you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow how work have been going on. Well, guys, so we shall meet for the next videos. Maybe it depends, maybe it's tomorrow. And you see that's the work. So also me, man, I'm so tired because I finished this up and my other mason mess up. I feel like it's too much hectic, but I'm trying to renovate it again, and I think that one is okay. So even in the morning, I brought my plumber here. They give exactly the measurement, and that mason, I see it's professional, because even I myself, I see the work is going good. So by tomorrow I want to fix the tank, and also when I put the tank inside the base, I want to cover that place, that gap that remaining, so when water is coming, it's round away and run away the outlet. And also tomorrow's work are very, very hectic, is to dig 2 feet on the ground so the pipe can pass and drain water into the tank. So we have a lot of work to do, and I wish all shall be good. So thank you so much, my people who are watching my videos until the end, and you mean a lot for me. I can't thank. Oh, sorry guys, sorry for that. You know, I'm speechless up to now, because I was working hard, looking for the mason, coming up, purchasing cement, doing this. So at the end of the day, I'm speechless. But for now, the huge progress are going on, and after finishing that, to be honest guys, I'll work on my toilet, actually my modern toilet over there. I want to put some tiles right now, so because anytime my family can use that modern toilet, even the washroom, especially the washroom. If I can fix one washroom and one toilet, my family can use on that, and the rest I will work on it slowly. By God's grace, we shall work as a unities, as teamwork. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. Well guys, so this is the second cement. Oh, the motorbike. Yeah? Guys, this is the second bag. I went to Nyabuhanse to purchase, and because of time I'm rushing back home. So in the morning I bought one bag, so this is the second one. Wow. So right now I'm heading home, guys. It's 50 kg. Look, 50 kg. So I'm heading this way, and technically, let's see. I wanna try, maybe it can work. Wow. So I'm heading home like this. Look. Whoa. Amazing one, guys. So let's go. Wow, guys. So this is the beauty of my village. Look at it. This is where my sister land, guys. Oh, it's okay. We have the church here. Over here. Shop right, left. Wow. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, and right now I'm heading back home, guys. Right now. Woo. You see even here, burning of chuck over there. Oh, let's go. Oh guys, so this is cement over here. I delivered home, so just right over here, and I want to see the work for today. Wow, that's my hand, guys. Oh, I have only one hand, and let me see the work for today, guys. So it's amazing job, guys. Look. Yeah. Over there, and then we build with some bricks here, 2 cores coming this way, so to avoid water running through the hole when I'm installing this tank there. I don't want maybe some water going inside there, actually, for the running of the compound leak. So for now, let me show you where I was getting the bricks from, other side. Yeah, since morning I was working. Woo! I feel like I'm tired. Let me show you guys from far end. My brother tried to. Let me show you guys. I'm trying to be faster. So, woo, I want to show you guys. Oh, just over here. Imagine, guys. So we delivered some bricks from here. Nama Congo segabon kakasi. Look. Yeah, I'm greeting my grandma over there. So this is the bricks here, and actually we are using this one. Hey. Oh guys, God is good all the time. So today we managed to finish the work, and we remain maybe with some few work to say goodbye. So that's my brother. So today it's on a Thursday. It's a Friday day. Actually, today maybe I think it's a workers' day to be maybe rest. That being said, we are working here, and sometime my brother helped me at least to give him money for the pencils, money for the pen, money for the book. In other way, wow guys. Try to push them. See the greeting, the African greeting. All right, so just over here. Come on. So this is the bricks here. So guys, tomorrow maybe I want to show you the final result as I fixing the tank and all plumbing section. Fundi ndaringe? Zichukui muda. Haina shida, mimi nitakupeleka hadi kwako. Usiogope. Yawe kutambuka. Ndakuile. Yaani wamanyora bani iziko zimbiru kizuchapie. Wotore niro. Mimi nakupeleka hadi kwako. Mimi nakupeleka hadi pale nilikutoa. Hata iko sorekeleza. Narudi. Oh guys, so I'm telling my mason I'll come back like 30 minutes to upload these videos and also take him to his home from here to Tanzania. So I crossed the border town. And guys, I want to end my video by saying, guys, thank you so much. Tomorrow morning I will done plumbing and I'll install the water so the tank will be on the ground. And also I want to finish that as earlier as much as possible, and then I take a U-turn. When I take a U-turn I come back to this. So I want to install one on one. When I get money, I install toilet, washroom, bathroom, like we call them bathroom and toilet, like that way. And then I come out, I fix the tiles here only and on the top here. So here I will paint, here I will do rough cast. So when I have like 2 bags of cement, I will done rough cast here and all around, but here I will paint. And also on the front base, on the front here I'll put tiles up to this point going that way, but the back I'll paint. So that being said earlier, so I want to finish harvesting water so the mom can get enough time maybe to cook and to do all stuff. Guys, try to imagine how the maize are coming so crazy. Look at that. Those are my neighbor's maize. Oh. Wow. So I see my brother went for the next trip for the bricks. So guys, I'm so tired, but tomorrow's videos you'll see because this place doesn't have enough light. So tomorrow morning you will see my outfits of my head, guys. So today it's on like I kept my silence, but tomorrow you comment on the videos, guys. I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. If you want to support maybe in terms of tiling my toilet over there, that being said, earlier I have already purchased 5 boxes, so we need 30 boxes to fix or to tiling both 4 rooms, and God shall open the door in another way. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. Let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.